Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to highlight a row in Word tables with shading. So let's start this in my Word document. First select the row those you want to highlight, okay. Then go to the Home tab. In Paragraph Scope, click on the Borders drop down arrow. Then click on the Border Shadings option and you can see the Borders and Shadings dialog box is open. Then click on the third tab, the shadings, okay. Then select here color those you want to fill in row. So I select here the one color, and after that apply to cell. Select here the cell, just click on this drop down arrow and select the cell, then click on OK, and that's it. The shading is apply on row, okay. So row is highlighted. Second way, simply select the row and go to the Home tab. In paragraphs you can see the one option, the shadings. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the color those you want, okay. Third way, simply select the row and then go to the Table Design tab. In Table Styles group have a shadings option. Just click on this arrow and select the color those you want to fill here, okay. So that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.